Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step we need to go to search bar. You can also press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to find out Windows update. So here it is. Simply right click on it and go to its properties. Now it's disabled, so we need to set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. You can also simply right click on it and click on restart. This will be a good way. Once done, just close this window and go to search bar, type your registry editor, and from the search results click here to open it. Select as. Once we are here, we need to expand HKey local machine. This is very important process to fix this issue, so just follow my screen and expand HKey local machine, then expand system. Now expand current control set, then expand control folder. In the control folder we need to expand device guard, then expand scenarios folder and select hypervisor enforced code integrity. On the right side, just right click on the enabled, select modify, and we need to change the value data as 0. Click on OK. Now close this window and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.